Let's return now to the CSIRO Health Director, Dr. Rob Grenfell. Rob, good to have you on the show. It's not just your usual anti-vaxxers who are having a stink here. Others are worried that the process is being rushed and the long-term effects aren't yet known.
Yeah, look, again, I'd echo Chris's comments. We still don't have a valid vaccine at this stage because we're in phase 3 trials, and phase 3 trials are in fact testing whether the vaccine works, how well it works and what the side effect profile is, and then we step to actually looking at making it for the general population. Now, what we haven't balked on with the speed that we've been doing these studies in is actually safety and quality. That's why it's taking this long, and in fact this is actually not long, but my team, for instance, have been under the scrutiny of the TGA and the FDA, both regulators from Australia and the US, as we've been doing our studies, as has Oxford been under the WHO and other international regulators as they've stepped through. So it's very important that anything we produce is safe, number one, and two, actually does what it's supposed to do.
Let's talk about this Oxford vaccine, because you've got more than 165 under development right around the world. Why has our government gone with this one?
Well, there's a couple of reasons. One is this was one of the first favourites out of the box when the studies started. So the WHO and CEPI were the ones that were choosing which ones through their stable were actually well developed. And this one, along with Moderna and Novio, have been in fact actually the leaders at this stage with the way they've been proving their effectiveness. Now, they may make it. If they make it, that's fantastic. But there are obviously hundreds of others that are actually moving through the research pipeline. And that's a good thing, but what it means is Oxford itself at this stage is in late stage development, and if it makes that step into success, we need to be there to actually grab it as soon as we can.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's a bit like betting on the Melbourne Cup, that it might be one of the three favourites, it's qualified, there's no guarantee it's going to start, and there's certainly no guarantee it's going to win. What happens if we find out, yes, it does work, but it's only 60% effective, and there is a much better one available? What happens then?
Look, I think the sooner we can start vaccinating particular higher at-risk segments of the population, the better. And a 60% effective vaccine is okay to modify this pandemic. Obviously, more effective vaccines will bring the disease totally under control, but what we're looking for at the moment is how can we in fact actually get back to some semblance of open society again, and how can we protect particularly our vulnerable people and also our health workers who are taking an incredible toll from this viral infection.
Yeah, we have to trust our scientists here, don't we? Rob, thanks for your time this morning. We appreciate it.
It's been my pleasure.